Spent 26 years in the Marine Corps and enjoyed that whole time. And in 2016, I put together a bucket list. I was training, I wanted to run the Marine Corps Marathon one more time. And after approximately 3 months of training, running, going to the gym, I didn't see any improvement. And one day I felt this burning in my chest. Dr. Freeze discovered that my valve wasn't sealing, and he informed me that I needed open heart surgery.
His valve back in January was opening, say, to this degree, and now is only opening, say, to this degree. So when he was pushing himself, he would get that feeling, that pressure, because the heart was not able to meet the demands of the body. So when he ultimately underwent his surgery later that month, he received a new aortic valve and one bypass.
Went through the surgery, and it was the rehab folks. The gentleman that I worked with was Dan. He goes, "When is the Marine Corps Marathon?" I said, "October 31st. I said, "But I'm probably not going to run it." And he said, "Well, if you do everything I tell you, you can run it." And I couldn't believe it for the first couple of weeks, and then I started to see the progress.
I think what's really important is that every patient is treated as an individual, and every patient brings their own unique story. And you have these goals. We want to do everything possible that we can to help you achieve those, because we know that you being able to achieve those goals for your physical well-being, for your mental well-being, will only aid in your ongoing recovery after this.
The moment I crossed the finish line, I couldn't believe I was able to do that. It was just amazing. 90 days earlier, I had had open heart surgery, and I had just completed running 26.2 miles. It was huge. Check box. Bucket list.